Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable show account related notifications occasionally in Start. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to personalization. Now scroll down and click on Start. Here you can see the option of show account related notifications occasionally in Start. You just have to turn off this button to disable this. So this is how you can disable show account related notifications occasionally in Start. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.